Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about bags, and I know bag reviews are your most favorite. Every time I post about bag reviews, I get so many questions about those bags from you, which I absolutely love. I love videos where you interact with me a lot, and today's video is about one of my Coach bags. I have 3 Coach bags in total in my collection. Eventually I want to talk about all of those, but today's bag is the most popular one that I get a lot of questions about every time I posted a picture or a video. So I'm here today and I'll talk a little bit about the bag. So from the title you already know from that I'm talking about this bag right here today. So this is the Coach bag. So this is the Coach bag that we will be talking about today. It is in chalk white color and it's a top handle bag, and this is one of their Tabby bags. So this is Coach Tabby 20. I actually forgot Tabby what number was it, but probably it was Tabby 20 as far as I remember. So this is one of my most used bags, and this is a chalk white bag, but I used it a lot. So the reason why I use it a lot, just because I find this bag to be so convenient. It looks small, not too big, but inside of it has a lot of space. So it has a lot of space, like it has 2 big compartments and then a small chain here, 2 big compartments and a small chain here, and it can easily fit all my makeup, keyring, phone, even sometimes a little 500 ml water bottle, obviously my sunglasses or glasses. Like, it fits a lot. And the best part is that back pocket. This back pocket is very convenient. It's quite deep and not stiff at all like the high-end luxury bags. Even though they have back pockets, they're pretty stiff usually, but this one is very roomy and I can easily put my phone inside here and also cards. Like whenever I'm traveling, especially this bag is just wonderful when I'm traveling in the subway, I'm taking public transport, so that I can easily put my cards and cashes, whatever I need here. And this is the most comfortable bag. Like if I take any luxury high-end bags in public transport, sometimes it is a little bit uncomfortable. Sometimes people look at it. I notice that, not always, but in some areas sometimes it happens. And I'm a kind of person who does not always use the car, especially during the weekdays. Most of the time, and also in my workplace, I go by using public transport, so I need something which is not something that people will look at all the time. Even though this bag, people look at it, I think everybody loves it, but not in a way like the look. If you take a Chanel bag, or if I take my Dior bag, which is very light color, I find myself sometimes uncomfortable, especially go to the picnic spot or open spaces, and having kids, like anything anytime can spill on my bag, and those are so expensive. I just try to take care of those, even though I'm not a good caretaker of my bags, but still. But for this bag I don't really worry much. And look at this, it has been like 3 years now I have been using it, and it just looks so good and so new. I don't see anything, any part coming off, no scratches, nothing. Like tiny bit of scratches could be in the front, which is barely visible, like barely visible, and nothing. Like it's totally brand new looking. And considering how much I have used this bag, like uncountable times, I think I have no other bag in my collection that I use so much like this one. Last summer, the summer before, this summer, constantly using it. And also I think not only a summer bag, I think spring, summer, and also with some outfit during the winter time. Even fall time is great with white bags, so I just use it all the year round. And it has 4 legs at the bottom, which is so good. Those have scratches obviously, but it happens because it's just meant to happen like that. Scratches will be there at the bottom feet, but the leather is fully intact, nothing, like no scratches. So overall I gave 10 out of 10 to this bag. This is one of my most favorite bag. And unfortunately this bag is not there in the market anymore. There are some similar designs, which if I find, I will put it here and also link it down below so you can check those out. But the exact same bag, I don't know really why they have discontinued such a popular bag. And I remember when I purchased this bag, I purchased online, and only I think 2 or 3 was remaining in the website, last 3 probably, and I just immediately grabbed the bag, and the next morning it was sold out. So after that I never saw this bag online ever again, and I think now a lot of people want this bag, but it's not there anymore. I was thinking to let it go away a few days back just because I have more white bags in my collection now, but then I'm still not sure because I really love it and I really use it a lot. So is there any point of letting it go? Let me know in the comment section below. Should I keep it or let it go considering this is so favorite? I don't know. And I also love the color combination. White and gold is always beautiful and always matches with all my outfits, especially I'm a gold jewelry lover, so yeah, it always matches my outfit. Love this leather strap right here, so you can use it crossbody as well, and also it can be a top handle bag. And also you have several straps here, several places here where you can adjust the strap, so it is adjustable according to your height. You can easily adjust it, so easy to open and close the buckles here, super easy. And also there is in the hardware you can see it's written Coach right here, so the hardware looks so good. And also it is a little bit of edgy hardware. The color is a little antique kind of, but still has the shine. I really love the color of the hardware. It looks just so classic. So that is all about this bag. If you really are interested about this bag, let me know in the comment section below and check the links down below. The same bag is not there, but I can link some similar bags that I find, and I have those in my wish list, so maybe sometime I may add those in my collection. I have 2 more Coach bags in my collection. I have some different opinions about those. I will definitely share those on my next video. And now I will also share some clips me wearing the bag so you can see how it looks on me, so you can have an idea if you buy any white color Coach bag this summer, how it could look on you and how it can stand. So about the bag review videos, I just want to mention something. I have got so many requests about my Dior bag. Ever since I posted my unboxing video, I got a lot of questions. You guys want me to take the bag in the daylight, make more videos about it, my reviews of wearing it, wear tear, and someone were asking me to, she wants to buy this bag, so she wants to see the bag in different lighting. So I will definitely come up with those kind of videos. I'm working on those, so once everything is done and on place, I will share that video soon. So my Dior lover girls, stay tuned. My Dior bag video, another video is coming soon. And if you haven't checked my unboxing video yet, Dior unboxing, do check it. I'll link it down. If you really love this video today, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye.